Once again, my name is Will. I'm a longtime seller of these products, and I've created this channel to encourage people to make the best practices of repurposing these at the best cost and the most efficient way to do it. Step one, remove the crossbars. Step two, tilt the tank over like so. Step three, pull it out. Step four, that's the one I'm looking for, which goes right there. This is the more expensive version. It is quite nice. It comes in a bag. It is silver on the inside and black on the outside. If you have any questions, need any help, if you have any suggestions on future videos, please send comments and I'd be happy to help. Thank you.